Hi! Welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity emojis in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the activities. Then in the activities, tap your activity. Then in your activity, scroll down and go to verbosity settings section and then tap the emojis. Then in this part in the emojis, if you want to change it to turn on, just tap the on until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to turn off, just tap also until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it back to default emojis, just tap again the default. Just like this. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity emojis in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!